Hi friends, today I am going to tell you 5 things from my personal experience if I should have done these things differently in my 20s. First thing, we make lot of friends, we want to be in the good book for lot of friends or relations, and even though it's not working, we keep on putting the effort for that. So my first advice is, do not put lot of effort. If any friendship, any relationship, it's not working, just leave. If it's not working, it won't work in the future. You will waste lot of years, ending up nothing. They won't even be calling after your 30s or something, right? So better to leave if something is not working. Don't put lot of effort. The second thing is, if you can afford, sooner the better you stay alone. I know we can't afford. When we get a new job, we have to stay with the PG girls or PG people, and in that we ruin lot of peace of mind in doing all this, like lot of materialistic thing, microwave, laundry, all these fights, and kind of nuisance. So I know we can't afford it in a very early stage, but sooner the better. Maybe possibly late 20s, you should stay alone. You should actually, in for couple of years at least you should know how to live alone, how to make your space beautiful, how to organize the thing, or unorganized, because unorganizing is also a privilege. So if you don't want to work today, you want to wash the dishes tomorrow, you can have that luxury. third is Third is very important. You have to work on your problems yourself. You discuss with your friends, you know, but at the end of the day, you have to take action. So I would say, you have to work to solve the problem. Nobody else will. So that's a third very important thing. Fourth, it's very, very important. Pamper yourself, love yourself, because life is unfair. Life is random. You heard about the case of Harsh Rana, right? Ichha Mrityu, all this. Sometimes life is very unfair. You can't justify, like, why God have done this, why life is unfair. So better you pamper yourself, love yourself, because life is random. Whatever good time you have, your hands working, your body is doing good, it's a good period. So anything can happen, any accident can happen, any random thing can happen to you. So I would say, enjoy today, pamper yourself today, but because you never know, tomorrow can be worse. So why not enjoy today? Life is unfair. Last thing, the fifth point is, take care of health. So it's very easy to deteriorate your health, but it's very difficult to fix it. Maybe you come across situation where you go out of country, or you stuck in the COVID times, then it's a different scenario. You keep on getting anxiety, you keep on eating, and to fix that, it will get difficult later on. So be cautious of your health in your early 20s. It will help in the later years. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.